Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we learn the form of verb. There are three kinds of verb. Number 1, present form. Number 2, past form. Number 3, past participle. Go. Go অর্থ যাওয়া, went gone. Go এর past form হলো went, past participle go. Come অর্থ আসা, came come. Come এর past form came, come এর past participle from come. Do did done, tell told told, think thought thought. Catch caught, throw নিক্ষেপ করা, throw threw thrown. Sit বসা, sat sat, stand দাঁড়ানো, stood stood. Like পছন্দ করা, liked liked.